Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. Just wanted to show you the flea market haul from today. Went out to the local Sunday flea market and picked up a couple of lawnmowers, pressure washer, chainsaw, steel MS-271, and a disassembled steel MS-291. It's a Briggs & Stratton engine on that rear bagger lawnmower. That'll be easy to fix. There's a Briggs & Stratton engine on a really old Landmark mower. You don't see these that often anymore. And a Homelite 2200 PSI pressure washer with all the tips and the wand. Not too sure if any of this stuff works. I paid $145 for all of it. So I know I can get $100 back for that mower, probably $50 for that one, hopefully $100, maybe $150 for that pressure washer. This saw, if it runs 300 maybe, if it needs repairs, that'll cut into the profit. And this 291, if this runs, I'll probably get 300 or 350, but I'm gonna have to go and see my friend at the power equipment wrecking yard and get some parts, as it's missing its muffler and carburetor, and it most likely needs a piston cylinder kit. So that one's gonna cost a little bit to get running, but I think I can make money in the end. So I'm gonna do a video of the work I do on each one of these, and you guys can see how easy it is to make some dollars off a flea market. Thanks for watching.